In today's competitive markets, and given the huge price rises in energy, picking the right energy saving technology for each motor control application you have is really crucial. Most customers are familiar with using the cube law to vary speed and to save energy using drive technology. But sometimes it's not obvious that fixed speed applications can also benefit from energy savings where the right technology is used. If you've got requirements for motor control and in particular soft starter technology, contact the team at LC Automation today and they'll be pleased to help you. Thanks for watching. I'm Gavin Highfield of AuCom.